Number 16. The Pedilio Velocar represents a fascinating evolution in urban transportation, combining the simplicity of pedal-powered mobility with the futuristic comfort and practicality of a compact, enclosed vehicle. Designed with efficiency, sustainability, and everyday usability in mind, this innovative velomobile delivers a unique riding experience that feels far more advanced than a traditional bicycle while remaining environmentally friendly and incredibly economical to operate. Its aerodynamic body not only gives the Velocar a sleek and modern appearance but also improves speed and energy efficiency by reducing wind resistance during travel. The enclosed cabin design offers greater protection from weather conditions such as rain, wind, and excessive sunlight, making it a practical solution for daily commuting in both urban and suburban environments. Inside, the ergonomic seating position provides impressive comfort during longer rides, while the pedal assist technology helps riders travel farther distances with significantly less physical strain. Number 15. The Vigas Tzishi is a remarkable example of how modern velocar engineering is transforming personal transportation through innovation, comfort, and intelligent design. Built with a futuristic vision of urban mobility, this advanced vehicle combines pedal-powered efficiency with sophisticated electric assist technology to create a riding experience that feels smooth, responsive, and surprisingly practical for daily life. Its sleek, aerodynamic exterior immediately stands out, not only for its modern appearance but also for its ability to reduce drag and improve overall efficiency during travel. The enclosed cabin structure provides riders with protection from changing weather conditions while maintaining excellent visibility and ventilation, making the Vigas Tzishi suitable for year-round commuting. Inside, the seating position is carefully designed to maximize comfort and reduce fatigue, allowing riders to enjoy longer journeys without the discomfort commonly associated with traditional bicycles. Number 14. The Duo Moke is a bold and innovative velocar that redefines urban mobility by combining compact practicality with futuristic engineering and exceptional riding comfort. Designed for modern commuters who value efficiency and sustainability, this unique vehicle delivers a smooth and engaging travel experience that feels far more advanced than a conventional bicycle while remaining environmentally friendly and highly economical to operate. Its eye-catching design features a streamlined aerodynamic body that enhances both visual appeal and overall efficiency by minimizing wind resistance during movement. The partially enclosed structure provides riders with added protection from weather conditions while maintaining an open and airy driving feel that makes every journey enjoyable and comfortable. Equipped with an intelligent pedal assist system, the Duo Moke offers effortless acceleration and impressive energy efficiency, allowing riders to cover longer distances with minimal physical strain while still preserving the natural connection of pedal-powered transportation. The stable multi-wheel configuration improves balance and road handling, giving riders greater confidence and control in crowded. Number 13. The Podbike Fricker is one of the most advanced and futuristic velocars in modern urban transportation, blending the efficiency of cycling with the comfort and practicality of a compact electric vehicle. Designed with a fully enclosed aerodynamic body, the Fricker offers exceptional protection from rain, wind, and harsh weather conditions while maintaining the lightweight efficiency of a pedal-powered machine. Its sleek Scandinavian-inspired design immediately gives it a premium and futuristic appearance, but the engineering behind the vehicle is equally impressive. Unlike traditional bicycles, the Podbike Fricker uses an innovative electronic pedal drive system where the rider's pedaling generates power electronically, creating an incredibly smooth and responsive riding experience without the direct mechanical chain connection found in conventional bikes. This technology allows for seamless acceleration and efficient power delivery while reducing maintenance and improving reliability. Number 12. The Wello family bike car is a highly innovative velocar designed to bring together practicality, sustainability, and family-friendly transportation in one compact and futuristic vehicle. Built specifically for urban mobility, this unique pedal-electric hybrid offers a comfortable and efficient alternative to traditional cars while maintaining the environmentally friendly benefits of cycling. Its distinctive enclosed design immediately stands out with a modern appearance that combines aerodynamic efficiency with everyday usability, helping riders travel smoothly through crowded city streets while remaining protected from rain, wind, and changing weather conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the Wello family bike car is its spacious interior layout, which is carefully engineered to accommodate passengers, children, or cargo without sacrificing comfort or maneuverability. The ergonomic seating position and stable multi-wheel platform create a smooth and balanced riding experience that feels secure. Number 11. The City Q is a revolutionary electric velocar that combines the practicality of a compact city vehicle with the efficiency and sustainability of pedal-powered transportation, creating a futuristic mobility solution perfectly suited for modern urban life. With its fully enclosed cabin and sleek Scandinavian-inspired design, The City Q offers riders exceptional comfort and weather protection while maintaining the compact dimensions and agility needed to navigate crowded city streets with ease. Unlike conventional bicycles, the City Q delivers a driving experience that feels remarkably close to a small electric car, featuring comfortable seating, intuitive controls, and a stable four-wheel platform that enhances balance, confidence, and overall road handling. Its intelligent electric pedal assist system allows riders to travel longer distances with minimal effort, smoothly combining human power with electric support to create efficient acceleration and effortless cruising even on hills or Number 10. The Cyclocar AM1 is a futuristic velocar that pushes the boundaries of personal transportation by combining advanced engineering, electric mobility, and pedal-powered efficiency into a compact yet highly practical urban vehicle. Designed with a strong focus on sustainability and everyday usability, the AM1 delivers a riding experience that feels significantly more refined and comfortable than a traditional bicycle while remaining environmentally friendly and energy efficient. Its aerodynamic body design gives the vehicle a sleek and modern appearance while also improving performance by reducing wind resistance and enhancing overall efficiency during travel. The enclosed cabin structure offers riders valuable protection from rain, wind, and harsh weather conditions, making the Cyclocar AM1 a reliable option for year-round commuting in busy city environments. Equipped with an intelligent electric pedal assist system, the vehicle provides smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, allowing riders to travel longer distances with reduced physical strain while still maintaining the engaging feel of human-powered mobility. Number 9. The Quadvelo QV is an exceptionally advanced velocar that combines the efficiency of pedal-powered transportation with the comfort, stability, and practicality of a compact electric vehicle, creating a futuristic solution for modern urban mobility. Built with a lightweight yet durable enclosed body, the Quadvelo QV delivers impressive aerodynamic performance while providing riders with protection from rain, wind, and changing weather conditions, making it ideal for year-round commuting. Its sleek and streamlined design not only gives the vehicle a modern appearance but also enhances speed and efficiency by minimizing air resistance during travel. One of the most impressive aspects of the Quadvelo QV is its stable four-wheel platform, which offers outstanding balance and confident handling even in busy traffic or on uneven roads, creating a smoother and safer riding experience compared to conventional bicycles. The advanced electric pedal assist system works seamlessly with human power to deliver effortless acceleration, efficient hill climbing ability, and long-distance comfort whilst Number 8. The Carbike's Cozy is a modern and highly practical velocar designed to transform everyday urban commuting through a perfect combination of comfort, sustainability, and intelligent engineering. Built with a compact yet futuristic design philosophy, the Cozy delivers the convenience of a small city vehicle while preserving the efficiency and environmentally friendly nature of pedal-powered transportation. Its sleek aerodynamic body immediately gives the vehicle a contemporary appearance, while also improving overall efficiency by reducing wind resistance and enhancing riding performance in busy urban environments. The partially enclosed cabin provides riders with protection from rain, wind, and changing weather conditions, creating a more comfortable and reliable commuting experience throughout the year. Equipped with an advanced electric pedal assist system, the Carbike's Cozy allows riders to travel longer distances with minimal physical effort, delivering smooth acceleration and effortless cruising while still maintaining the engaging feel of cycling. Number 7. The ENVO Vimo SE is a cutting-edge velomobile that blends the agility of a bicycle with the comfort, protection, and efficiency of a compact electric-assisted urban vehicle, making it a standout solution for modern sustainable transportation. Designed with a fully enclosed aerodynamic shell, it offers riders excellent protection from wind, rain, and road debris while maintaining a lightweight structure that keeps it highly efficient and easy to maneuver in city environments. Its streamlined design is not only visually futuristic but also functionally optimized to reduce drag, allowing smoother rides and better energy efficiency over longer distances. The SE model is especially focused on enhanced comfort and usability, featuring a well-designed cabin that gives riders a car-like seating position with improved visibility and reduced fatigue during daily commuting. The advanced electric pedal assist system works seamlessly with human pedaling to provide smooth acceleration, effortless hill climbing, and consistent cruising performance, making urban travel both practical and enjoyable even in dense traffic conditions. Number 6. The Hopper Mobility Hopper is an innovative electric velocar designed to redefine urban commuting by combining compact car-like comfort with the efficiency and sustainability of micromobility. Built with a modern enclosed structure, it offers riders strong protection from weather conditions such as rain, wind, and cold, making it a reliable option for year-round city travel. Its design focuses on practicality and urban adaptability, featuring a narrow footprint that allows it to move easily through traffic-congested streets while still providing a stable and secure riding experience. The aerodynamic body shape enhances energy efficiency by reducing drag, which helps extend battery performance and ensures smoother, more economical travel across daily routes. Inside, the Hopper Mobility Hopper is engineered with a comfortable seating position and intuitive control layout that makes it feel more like a small personal electric vehicle than a traditional bicycle. The electric assist system delivers seamless acceleration and effortless cruising, allowing riders to cover longer distances with minimal physical effort while still maintaining the flexibility of pedal-based mobility. Number 5. The Bio-Hybrid Duo is an advanced electric-assisted velocar designed to bring together the efficiency of cycling and the comfort of a compact urban vehicle, creating a smart and sustainable solution for modern city transportation. Built with a lightweight enclosed structure, it offers riders protection from changing weather conditions while maintaining excellent maneuverability in dense traffic environments, making it highly practical for everyday commuting. Its compact and aerodynamic design helps reduce air resistance, improving energy efficiency and allowing smoother, more controlled movement through urban streets. The Bio-Hybrid Duo is engineered around a dual-passenger concept, making it especially unique among velocars, as it allows two people to travel comfortably together while sharing the pedaling effort or relying on electric assistance when needed. Inside, the seating layout is designed for comfort and interaction, offering an ergonomic position that reduces fatigue during longer rides and enhances the overall travel experience. Number 4. The PodRide is a compact and highly innovative velomobile designed to merge the practicality of a small car with the efficiency and sustainability of a bicycle, offering a unique approach to everyday urban and suburban transportation. Built with a fully enclosed body, it provides riders with strong protection from rain, wind, cold, and other weather conditions, making it a dependable all-season mobility solution. Its design is lightweight yet sturdy, with a streamlined shape that reduces air resistance and improves overall efficiency, allowing smoother and more energy-conscious travel compared to traditional cycling. The PodRide focuses heavily on rider comfort, featuring a car-like seating position that supports the body naturally and reduces fatigue during longer journeys, making daily commuting significantly more comfortable and accessible. It uses a pedal-powered system supported by electric assistance, which helps riders accelerate with ease, maintain steady cruising speeds, and handle inclines without excessive physical effort while still preserving the engaging feel of human-powered movement. Number 3. The ENVO Vemo SE represents the Vemu style of modern velomobile design, focusing on compact urban efficiency, electric assistance, and enclosed comfort in a highly practical personal mobility solution. Built with a streamlined aerodynamic body, it is engineered to move smoothly through city traffic while minimizing air resistance and maximizing energy efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting in dense urban environments. Its enclosed cabin provides strong protection from weather conditions such as rain, wind, and dust, allowing riders to travel comfortably throughout the year without relying on traditional fuel-powered vehicles. The design emphasizes a balanced combination of bicycle-like efficiency and car-like comfort, giving the rider a seated driving position that reduces strain and enhances stability during longer journeys. Equipped with an advanced electric pedal assist system, it delivers smooth and responsive power support, making acceleration effortless and helping riders maintain consistent speed with far less physical effort while still engaging in active pedaling. Number 2. The ZOX Bikes represents a unique approach to human-powered and electric-assisted mobility, focusing on streamlined recumbent-style bicycles and velomobile-inspired designs that prioritize efficiency. Number 1. The e-Velo Cabrio is a modern open-style electric velocar that blends the freedom of cycling with the comfort and ease of a compact urban vehicle, offering a refreshing approach to personal transportation. Designed with a cabriolet-inspired layout, it features a partially or fully open riding experience that allows riders to feel connected to their surroundings while still benefiting from structured seating, stability, and electric assistance. Its lightweight yet aerodynamic frame is built to enhance efficiency, reducing energy loss while maintaining smooth performance across city roads and suburban routes. The e-Velo Cabrio typically integrates an electric pedal assist system that supports the rider during acceleration, inclines, and longer distances, making daily commuting significantly less demanding while still preserving an active riding experience. The open or semi-open cabin design prioritizes ventilation and visibility, giving riders a sense of freedom and wide field of view that traditional enclosed velomobiles may not provide, while still incorporating essential protection elements such as wind shielding and ergonomic seating for comfort.